Hello and welcome back to the channel. As you can see, I'm in Mrs. Wynn. Yeah, isn't she looking good? And yeah, warming up nicely. Yeah, right. I'm now on my way over to Ricky's and do some more work on Agatha. So I'm going to make my way over there and I'll see you in a little while. So I've arrived here at Agatha Central, and let's just spin you around and have a look what I'll hopefully be doing today. I say hopefully, I'm just absolutely knackered. I've had a hectic week. I'll just yeah, see how we'll get on. So let's spin you around, let's have a look. So before I go adding a little bit of filler to these doors, I do want to cut this out here on this front wing and try and make a new piece up for that. I'm probably going to do it in stages. It is full of filler. Yeah, a lot of filler in there, so we'll get that out, cut that out, see how we get on with that. Then I'll fetch the welder out and I'll fill these welds in here, just to tidy that up a little bit. There's going to be a stone chip going on there anyway, so we're not too worried about that, but we will just tidy it up, make sure it's all nice structurally sound, do that wheel arch, and then I'll get to work on applying some filler to these bottom of these doors now, just so we can start tidying things up. What I do want to do is run the grinder down here, because there's a heck of a bulge there on this door that I don't like, and yeah, that doesn't look quite good there, so I'm going to sort that out. I think that's basically where I've welded, and I didn't leave enough gap, and it's basically pressed itself out as it's cooled down, and hopefully I'll fill some of these little weld holes in that front door as well. So fair bit to do with the welder for now, before I can actually properly start filling, but hopefully I can get a skim of filler on everything today, and let that harden off for a couple of days. So I've got one more week at work, and then I break up for a week, and I'm having a couple of days away in the wobble box, of which I've been spraying as well. So hopefully I can get some more work done on the wobble box, and maybe the weekend after I can then come up and start linishing off the filler if I've got any in. So right, without further ado, I'm going to crack on. Obviously don't have I'm only doing this on my phone, so I haven't got access to time-lapse and all that, and I don't want to use all my space up on my phone for that, so I'll take some videos as and when as I proceed. So let's get cracking. So this rear door, I was able to manipulate it into shape with hammer and dolly, so I'm really happy. That's quite nice and flat now. Obviously there's filler to go on there anyway, stone chip as well, so a lot of that all is going to be hidden anyway. And again, same with this door. What I've also done as well, I've just filled in my little weld holes, just on really low amperage, low wire speed, just to get some metal back in there where it burnt through. So I'm happy with that now. That can all be filled. Right, let's get on with this front arch. I think while I've got the welder out, I will do that first and just fill weld those in, and then I'll tackle cutting this out. So let's drag my welder down and get these holes filled up. Basically, up at this front corner there was nothing really left to weld to, basically just rotted through again, and there's also, as you can see there is nothing but filler. Yeah. Right, so yeah, I'll just cut patch out, weld a patch in there, and basically see what I can do and maybe add another little bit in there as well. And you can see the depth of the filler that goes in there. Really, this lower section wants cutting out, but yeah, it's what I'm left with. So let's crack on and weld some metal in. Yay! Yeah, hey, look at that. Right, what I've done, I've just basically welded in bits here because to get all this shape out of one piece of metal, I haven't got the panel beating capabilities of actually doing that all in one go. So what I decided to do is just do it in patches. So this is, as you see, just as I've basically bollocked the weld on, just because I wanted to get as much speed out of this as possible, because it's running into a lot of hours that I didn't really want to spend or anticipate spending. So we're doing it this way now. Obviously, all that, this basically bit here was basically filler, and I basically didn't want to go and put my name to that kind of stuff. So I've cut it out, I've rebuilt it. As you're seeing it here is just the welds just bollocked on. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to lineage these back, fill in where I need to fill, and then chop that bit off, and then I'll take some more video then, and hopefully it'll look a lot better than it does now. So that's this front corner kind of built up. At least there's metal there now instead of filler. However, round to the front, when I tug on this bit, it ain't really attached here no more. So yeah, I'm going to have to cut a bit out here, nice big triangle, and weld it in there. I'm not doing that today, I've had enough of that. That's just taken longer than it should have done, but we got some metal there. That bit I can sort later on. So let's go back round here, and I think I'm going to do the same here. At least here I have got some metal to weld too. He says, till I start playing around with it. So I'll just do the same kind of thing again. I'll make it up as I go along, cutting bits out, and I really want to see some progress on this car now. I'm getting bored. So what I'll do, I will do that little bit there, and I think I'm going to mix some filler up, get these doors filled. Oh, and while I'm at it, I'll do that little hole as well. Right, onwards. Time's knocking on, I'm getting hungry. So I've cut that out the way, the whole lot. I mean, look at the thickness of that filler. I am impressed. In fact, I think there's a little bit of metal on the edge there. But the rest is mostly filler, a little bit of metal. Right, so I started off and made one cut, followed kind of the edge of this lip here, followed it down, and then just done a couple of straight cuts just to cut out for one strip of metal. So that's the first bit, and then the next bit I'll put a strip in there like I did with that one, and then put the curling lip, weld that in afterwards once I've got it all to shape. So what I'm going to do first is tack this in, and then I can cut some more metal, trace it out, and add some more on as and when. All good fun. I really do think we should go with the rat look on this, on Agatha. Right, so that's two pieces there welded in. Obviously you're seeing them as just as I've butt welded them up. I can lineage them off afterwards, but that gets the shape and the profile as well. So all I now have to do is just weld a little bit of lip on there, same as I did there. Yeah, great. And there is the wheel arch lip there, welded into place, well, tacked in. all I need to do now is just complete the welds and grind them off, and that'll look pretty neat. At least there's metal there now, not filler. So yeah, I mean, obviously there will be some filler going on it, just that the filler won't be holding it together this time. Hey, all good fun. Okay, that's the new section of metal there put in place for that wheel arch there. That's turned out pretty good. Nice skim of filler. That'll be good to go. But as I say, don't forget we're doing a stone chip up to this line here anyway, so most of that not even going to know. Same at the front there. That's this new section there welded in. I am going to, at a later date, do something with that because that is really weak. So yeah, I'm not prepared to leave that as it is. I know Ricky would probably say just fill it, but yeah, it's not going to last long if I'm honest. That's just going to rot through, because if you can see from there, you can see how pinholed it is. And yeah, yesterday I did pull out loads of filler. Bear with me, this is day 2 because I've spent the whole weekend up here more or less. I just wanted to come back and finish a few things off so we can end this video, if you like, and we can then move on to the next section. So I'm happy with that wheel arch there at the front. I think that's pretty good. Also, there is now no hole there. So again, you know, that's ready to go. That can be just a quick skim of filler just to smooth it off. That's all good. So I think that's what I'm going to start doing next, is I'm going to get these panels wiped down, because obviously I do need to add some filler now. So we can now start leveling it off and get it all nice and smooth. Again, the stone chip is going to hide quite a lot of sins, but basically if I can get it nice and smooth, that way it looks better. And I don't think most body repairs anyway usually end up with a little bit of filler at least, but that's okay, that's cool. So right, let's get some filler mixed up. I might have to mix it on his old boot lid, I think. I've got nothing to mix it on. I normally bring a bit of plastic with me, but I forgot, so I might cut a little bit of me metal up and just mix it on that. I know a lot of people use cardboard. I don't, because I think it tends to dry the filler out a little bit quicker than you want it to. Luckily it's not too hot today, so with a bit of luck it's not going to go off before I've used it. So right, I'll tidy up now and get some filler mixed. And there we have our first skim of filler. Basically just mixed up one big batch and bollocked it straight on. So I'm not too fussed about how it looks at the minute, because it's all going to be lineage back. I just want a nice transition between where the old filler was and the new repairs are. So yeah, no doubt there's going to be some more going on, just to make sure it's all nice and flat, but this is the first stage of it. So that's me done for this video. So we'll let that cure now for a couple of days, and then next weekend I can lineage that off and start again. So that's all for me in this video. Hope you've enjoyed everything so far, and finally now work is now beginning to progress. Rather than doing welding and cutting and grinding, I'm actually doing something different now. Finally. So yes, join us again real soon in another video. There's more work to be done, and I've got loads of stuff to do at home, and yeah, all good fun. So thanks for staying tuned, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and as usual, take care of yourselves and each other. Cheerio. Bye. I'm getting out of here. I've had enough.